Teachers have all kinds of professional development conferences, right? But what if a teacher wants to tutor online? What's available to them? Not much. And this is exactly why I've created a monthly conference where teachers can learn marketing techniques to get found by students all over the world each month. Now, in today's video, you're going to learn about our conference happening October 29th to the 31st called Story Selling to Wow New Students from Around the World. Hi, my name is Joanne Kaminsky, and each month I hold special conferences that dive deep into a specific marketing strategy or concept that's going to take your business to the next level. Now, I love these conferences because they always compel people to take action. And after the YouTube challenge conference, Terry Grigsby mentioned that her new goal was to master YouTube. And whenever I asked her what she was working on, she said, YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. Now, at any point, you will be able to click the link in the description to join us. So let's dive in a little deeper about this conference. Oh, and by the way, for people who are not members of our group, this conference is only $1. So it won't cost an arm and a leg to join us. Now, if stories sell, then how can we develop our story to get people from all over the world hiring us for our services? You create a story brand, and that is exactly what we're going to cover at our next conference. And this is going to take your marketing to the next level and make you stand out from the competition. And clients are going to be begging to work directly with you because you are going to connect with them in a much different way. You may be thinking that nobody wants to hear any of your stories. But this is primarily because you haven't mastered the 10 best-selling practices and story formats. And once you learn this, people will be compelled to not only listen to your story, but will be more open to a free assessment or a consultation. And this is the next step in the relationship. Now, if you've already built a website promoting your tutoring services, you're halfway there. You can add your stories on your website in a way that gets people to take that next step. It personalizes your services in a way that larger online tutoring companies are completely ignoring today. Now, I know that some of you are thinking, but I don't know what stories to tell. Well, after this conference, you're going to have a whole list of stories to tell. You're going to know what format you want to create it, and you'll be excited to take action. Now, I love when I hear people say things like, a client from Thailand just found me and hired me, like Sonia George had happen. When you begin to master the internet with inspiring stories, you begin to get found by people all over the world and not just your zip code. So, what will be covered during this conference? We are going to identify the different types of stories and how they're used, including company and brand stories, personal stories, and customer stories. You're going to be able to apply the most enduring story formats that have stood the test of time to your marketing for your tutoring services. You're going to identify which types of stories connect best with their target market so that they want to hire you. We're going to outline the key elements that make a story effective regardless of the type of story or format that you choose. Then you're going to choose the best media to use for your story to make it engaging for your target market. And next, you're going to identify the different outlets you can use for getting your story seen by as many people as possible to wow your ideal client and get them calling or emailing you. And by the end, you'll draft a plan for finishing and producing a story that you can use right away to supercharge your marketing. So, if you're looking to get found by more people by telling stories, join us for our next conference called Story Selling to Wow New Students from Around the World. This conference will be held October 29th to the 31st, and each day we're going to be live from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And for those who are not able to join us, we will have 24-hour replays. Oh, by the way, I'm in the Central Time Zone. So what are you waiting for? Just click that save button for just $1. My name's Joanne Kaminsky, the online tutor business coach, and I hope to see you on the other side.